Hi everyone, welcome to this new series where we'll be solving the Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics Past Paper 0478/22 from the May-June 2025 exam session. Let's get started. Question number 7, Part B. These are the first four terms of a sequence, 11, 8, 5 and 2. Find the nth term of this sequence. In Part A of this question, we have seen that common difference of the consecutive terms of the sequence is -3. Now, to find out the nth term, we shall use the formula un equals a plus n minus 1 multiplied by d. In this formula, un is the nth term of the sequence, a is the first term of the sequence, d is the common difference between two consecutive terms of the sequence. In given sequence, we know that a is 11 and d is -3. Let's substitute it in the formula to find out the nth term. So our equation will become un equals 11 plus n minus 1 times -3. Solving further, it will be un equals 11 minus 3n plus 3, and then it will further simplify to un equals 14 minus 3n, which is the answer. Great. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share with others. Have a nice day.